trash codes, not poop codes. So that's inappropriate.
Sorry, it just means it's bad stuff.
Because this is the usual.
Dad, can you help me open this up, open this part up?
Sure.
It's really hard. Ow, I keep hurting my fingers.
I'm Gabe and Gordy's dad, by the way.
Yep. Yeah, he's really nice. Really strong too.
Yeah, because you're like, what
Put that there.
And make sure you clean all the stuff up on the floor.
Yes, we're going to.
Yeah, we know.
Both me and Gordy, right?
Yep.
Gordy, we're both going to, right?
Yeah.
Put code card there. Now let's sleeve up our Gyarados. 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 Okay, why are we doing that? Okay, let's put,
Look, it's pan on my head.
sorry. Okay,
I
let's see.
didn't pick it up from the ground. It just.
Put the 10 there. Gordy, which? Oh, now we got two birds. Two birds.
Two birds.
Okay.
What if we both get a board then I'm gonna do I will do this, these, then you do this. So
Or you could get both the birds, but I kind of want some of the birds. We get. So I already have the rainbow rare birds, and I also have the promo one because I got the elite trainer box, which is really fun. Oh, speaking of the rainbow rare birds, I got the rainbow rare birds, and oh my god,
Oh my god.
I got the rainbow rare birds.
Oh,
I have two of these guys now.
oh my god.
I have two rainbow rare birds now.
Oh my gosh, it's so lucky.
Do you need help?
Also,
If you need help, I'll help you. Okay, got my next pack. Let's see. What did I get? Charmeleon and Mr. Mime. Yeah, I got poop in that pack, but in this pack I got some good.
I can't do it.
I'll help you. Yeah, that one. Let's do it.
Okay, let me do it. Let me
Yep.
do it.
Look at the cards. So Gordy just
Boom.
I think I saw a shine.
A shine.
Oh, you got Glaceon GX! Look at that Glaceon G. Do you see it back there?
Yeah!
I have that online.
Oh my god.
Gordy, I have that
Do you
online.
have that in real life though?
No, but now I do.
Now you have it.
Wait, I forgot. The cards we're opening are all mine.
So lucky. I wanted.
But it was my Christmas presents.
I know.
Next year you can ask for Pokemon. Well, you got some Pokemon, so maybe we can do that as a little bonus thing. Gordy, you have one more pack.
Yeah.
Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Well, we have a lot of bad cards, but you get a lot of bad cards, and we also have a lot of good
But
cards.
I got two GXs.
Go make my do you need help? Try the top then. Gordy, try the top if you can't do the bottom.
They already did the top.
Well, then I'll do it for you. I didn't do it. You need help. Now, the shiny Charizard's probably hard to open.
Okay.
Why was that easy for me? Gordy, hey, the pack's open.
Yeah.
Here. See what you got. Open. Keep going. Keep going. Do it fast. Do it fast, okay? And a Fable is your rare. So you got no GX.
Oh wait.
Okay, yeah, Jinx. Okay, he got poop. Gordy, put it there. Put it there.
The poopy color.
Let's see what's next. Ooh, now so I already took the booklet out of this, but now we're gonna.
If you can keep doing it. I gotta charge my phone since it's.
So you're not gonna do it now? Okay.
No.
Come back when you're done. Come back when you want to. Okay. Also, I got these.
This and come back.
Okay, come back when you want. So let's put the booklet there. There's the booklet. Now, let's do this.
Okay.
We took this thing off. See how it looks? Pretty beautiful. Nice, nice.
We're cleaning all this trash up, right?
Okay, we
Oh
got
my
this.
God, there's so much pack.
Yeet. Dividers.
Play.
Boom. Put that there. Now, let's put the code card there. Now, sleeves, yeah, nice. Now we got the energies. Put the energies there. Put these there. Put that there. Throw it in the trash. 40.
Ow!
Sorry. 40, what 4 do you want? Choose 4.
I'm not gonna do it anymore.
You're done?
Yeah, I'm done doing it.
Okay.
You just keep playing. Just keep playing.
Come back if you want to come back, okay? Okay, so now we got our 8 packs. See what we get. Yes. Hope we don't get poop. We'll probably get some good. Okay. We'll probably get some goods. And also we have a booster box. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, we got a booster box. Okay. Let's put this there. This one's hard. This Alolan Ninetales one is hard to open. There's the Alolan Ninetales. Pack art. Okay, we got that. Okay, let's see. Choke and a Mimikyu Hollow Rare. So we're done opening. Actually, no, we have the Hidden Fate Ultra Premium Collection box. Sorry if that is loud. Probably is. But let's just see what we get. Oh, this one's hard to open. Sorry, this is taking a while. Okay, so code card. That card's damaged. A full art Sylveon GX. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, that is great. Let's see what else we got. Nothing. Okay, so we did get that Sylveon. That was nice, nice, nice. Okay, it's a green code. That means we probably got poop. Yep, we got poop. Now let's open the next pack. It's a white code. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, wait, I got Gordy. Look, I got the normal and the full art now. Look, Gordy, look.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Yep, happy holidays. Because this video was recorded on Christmas.
Yeah.
It'll probably be posted on Christmas. I don't know, but it probably will be.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, next pack, Tapu Koko pack art.
And if you forgot, just subscribe to both of our channels.
No, only subscribe if you want to subscribe and you like our stuff.
Yeah.
It's like, nope. No.
Yeah, you can subscribe to Border Bathtub and Game 5 if you want to. Or you could just subscribe to Game 5. Or you could just subscribe to me.
Gordy, you want to get back to the packs? You want to get back to the packs?
No. Don't find my iPad.
Okay, we got poop on that one. another Tapu Koko pack. Sorry, those noises are really loud because it's Christmas and they're cleaning up. We had a really crazy Christmas because my parents got way too many presents. Shout out to everyone that got me presents. Like my mom and my dad and my aunt. Wishy-Washy GX. Mom, I got 3 GXs in this Elite Trainer box. Yeah, I was telling my mom. Wow, can't believe I got all this stuff.
You barely scratched the surface.
I know, and that's crazy. So this is like a lot of packs. Boy was doing it, but he stopped. Probably because he didn't want to clean up. Because he probably wouldn't want to clean up. Rayquaza is our rare. So we got nothing. Well, we got stuff, but we didn't get anything like that. Okay, so we didn't get any GXs. This is my pile of good cards. Kind of pretty big for good cards. So now we're going to move on to the Lost Thunder Elite Trainer box. Goes back. And now, so let's try to open this up. Wow, I'm gonna have a lot of sleeves.